This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: ID verification, bank link, and two-factor authentication enabled. Once done, fund your account or connect a brokerage API so trades can settle. Make sure you pick live versus demo mode. Demo is for practice, live for real funds. Next, open the platform, set your time zone and trading preferences, and verify balances. This initial configuration prevents delays and ensures order routing and margin limits reflect your actual account status. Once your account is ready, choose the instrument and time frame that match your strategy. Then pick an order type, mark it for immediate fills, limit to control price, or stop to trigger on movement. Enter size, price, and slippage tolerance, and check margin requirements and fee estimates so you're not surprised. Make sure to attach protective stops or profit targets. Before sending, review the order preview for quantity, price, and routing. Then submit when everything aligns with your risk plan. After execution, actively monitor positions and P&L in the trade blotter. Alerts notify you of fills or margin calls. When ready, close positions fully or partially, or use one cancels other orders to automate exits and reduce manual risk. If fills are delayed or data stalls, check your internet, API keys, and platform logs, then restart the app. If the problem persists, gather the order ID, timestamps, and screenshots, and contact support so they can trace routing and resolve execution or reconciliation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.